I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Yo, greetings family, what's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. Hey, look, every now and then I you know what I'm saying, I talk about a few different things, and I talk about this app particularly because it's just amazing me how easy it is to actually get money, make money off sharing information, sharing the app, okay? Many of you all eat every day. Many of y'all go to grocery stores often, Walmarts and Costco's and Sam's Club and things like that. So I'm just going to show you an app, that I've talked about before, which is Dosh. So if you want to stay around for it, I completely get it. But I'm going to tell you why it's powerful, especially around the holiday seasons, okay? Because normally you get cash back, right? So big deal. You go get cash, you link your credit to debit card to it. And then when you go to Sam's Club that you spend it at anyway, you get cash back. All right, when you go to Wendy's or Dunkin' Donuts, you get cash back. All right, when you're ordering at Thrive Market to get your groceries online, you get cash back. When you find a hotel in the area you want to stay, you get cash back. You say big deal, right? Well, all that money can add up, especially if you already operate off a cashback rewards card too. So you kind of doubling up on points and rewards. And what even special about this is that when you share this app with people, all right, and they link their debit card to it or whatever, they normally do $5 referrals. Now, all the time Dosh does referrals. They fluctuate throughout the year. Sometimes it's 5, sometimes it's 10, sometimes it's 15. And sometimes it's $20. All right. So for those people, maybe some kids who maybe looking to start a YouTube channel or maybe do something, a side hustle or something like that, this would be a very good app to add into your repertoire on your Make Money Online channel, especially since Make Money Online is really popping with the keyword search. So if you have not took the time up to go look up Google Trends or go to somewhere to like vidIQ or somewhere to like TubeBuddy or somewhere like Uber Suggest or somewhere like Keywords Anywhere and start doing your research on keywords and the cost per click and the number of searches a month, then you'll understand why this is so important to be having things like this. But not to make this no long video, I'm just gonna go show you real simple. First, I'm gonna tell you this is real simple. All right, you download the app, you add a debit card. It could be a chime card that you barely ever use. All right, you know what I'm saying? You go somewhere that's on the app, and I'm gonna show you what's on the app. A lot of places, you spend $1. You feel me? When I first got it, I spent $2. All right, you share this app with other people, you get $5, $10, $15, $20, and you can transfer those funds directly to your PayPal or your bank account. So let's go ahead and show you that. All right, so now we're inside this Dosh shop, okay? So you can see the different features that they have. Okay, we got featured offers. We got Adidas, 10% cash back. We got White House, Walmart, up to $25 cash back. Forever 21, Kirkland's. All right, then we got other places, Walmart, East Bay, Costco, DoorDash, $5.50 cash back. So many of you that's out ordering food with DoorDash, Uber Eats, or maybe you haven't, all right? Maybe somebody in your household that hasn't. All right, so look, you got different categories. Here's trending offers, Walmart.com, PetSmart, Office Depot, Forever 21. You can see under those stores it'll tell you if it's in store and online or if it's just online or in store. That way you can know, all right? Some online offers here, Sam's Club, Thrive Market, Apple Music, Uber Eats, Freshly. You ordering food from GoPuff, Flamingo. You actually got Groupon. So not only will you save money on Groupon, you get cash back when you do Groupon. All right. Now, if you look at hotels, okay, look at this. If you spend $228 per night at Cadillac and book with this app, you get $42 back. I say that's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? You book in New York, get $93 back here. So this also is a good app to look for deals and actually getting money back. But you say, how do I get money back? Well, I'm glad you asked. All right. So right here, all right, you can see there's a top right, you can add a card right there. All right. And then right here, it actually shows you, when you're actually, the monies you actually received and so on and so forth. So you can see that I received some $20, $15, $5, $10 referrals. Okay, this is a legit app, and you can see sometimes I've used PayPal, all right, and sometimes I've actually used other things. Okay, so now when you go to refer, it says you right here, get $20 for each friend who signs up with your referral code, connects, and a verified credit or debit card, and makes a purchase with a Dosh merchant. So it's pretty much that easy. The only other thing is when you get up to $25, all right, that's when you need to transfer. Right here it says something's missing. Before you make a transfer, please make sure you've completed the steps below. Reach a minimum of $25 in your available balance. But that's pretty simple, especially when it's at $20. And you know what I'm saying? So boom, two referrals, you in the dough. Or even if you go book a room somewhere, or you just pick up something from HelloFresh. It's really that simple. So you should check out this app if you're interested in doing something like this. All right, peace. All right, family. So that's pretty much it. But what I'm gonna do for you, those of you who actually stayed and watched the videos, I'm gonna give you some quick little game and insight when it comes to this YouTube algorithm. So kudos to you if you actually stuck around for this. Okay. So check this out. When you're doing stuff right now, there's some things you need. You can write this down. You go look up this stuff. Okay. So things you want to know when you're creating, say, a YouTube channel based around making money online. All right. It's been a hot topic based on everything that's going on in the world. So you can go on Google Trends and type in how to make money online, and you can check the history there. Okay. You can also go to places like Uber Suggest. I believe they have a free keyword search tool, and I use a tool called Keywords Anywhere. All right, I like that tool. I spend like $10 on like 100,000 or 10,000 credits or something like that. Okay, so what that does, it allows me to go on YouTube, go on Google, and see how many searches something has, as well as the cost per click. The cost per click lets me know how much people are paying for people to click that ad. So if you have something, all right, that has a high volume, so you're getting 10,000 searches a month, 100,000 searches a month, and it has over $1 or something like that cost per click, then there's potential for you to make money based off the ads in that arena. But you can also be helping people out based on the search and everything else as well. Okay, so another tool that you can use is something called vidIQ. You can get the free version of vidIQ, right? So vidIQ is going to let you know the rank of the actual search term. Okay, so when you install vidIQ to your Chrome browser, or I'm not sure what other browser, but Keywords Anywhere and I believe vidIQ both installed to the Chrome browser. And when you install it to the browser and you're on YouTube and you do a search, there's a lot of information that's going to pull up on other YouTubers that are ranking for those keywords and key terms and related keywords and key terms. So you see that, all right, and you want to success model success. So you want to see what the most successful people are doing, but also you want to make sure that you're using keywords that are a high probability for you to bust through the algorithm. So typically what you're looking for something is a 50 or better. If you got 60, 70 or better, even better. But I believe vidIQ is going to rank based on the number of the search volume and the amount of people that are actually making content in that particular niche or keyword. Okay, so if you find something that's 50, 60, 70 or above, and on vidIQ, and that means that you have a high probability of ranking for it. So that means you can pump out more content and potentially get your video ranked on the first or the second page by using these particular tools. So when you are going to look at people on YouTube after you search vidIQ and you've done your due diligence, you can see how their consumers or how their subscribers, are actually looking into how they're commenting, how they're reacting to certain things. You can actually see how they are doing their thumbnails as well. So you can model your thumbnails after them. And there's a site called canva.com you can use for free. They do have a paid version, but you can get started with that for free. And you can use these tools. Some other great tools to check, because you're going to want to know demographics and the background of the people that are actually going to be consuming most of the content, who you're targeting. So what helps with that is going to be actually Social Blade. All right. And this is something I don't really tell people about often, but I'm gonna give it to y'all because y'all stayed here. NoXinfluencer.com actually is a great site to look at valuable information as far as YouTubers and stuff like that, demographics. So with that being said, if you are going to make videos like this, because I know sometimes people say, well, it's easy for you, Cornez. You can share videos and get referrals and make money because you've built your channel. All right. But here's the thing. Okay. Here's the thing. we all had to start from somewhere. Okay, I started my channel out of the mud, as they say, and you can do the same thing, and it's even more powerful if you're doing it on a more consistent basis. Okay, so starting out, you can make 3 to 5 minutes videos, 2 or 3 a day. When you actually start getting to where you're breaking through and you're breaking through the algorithm, all right, you start making 8 minute videos so you can get monetized and get paid for those Google ads. So not only are you helping people get their $5, 10, 15, $20 from stuff like Dosh, okay, you actually have a blueprint that you can give to people that will model your success. Now, the only thing will be holding you back is your energy, your effort, and you know what I'm saying, your will, your sure will, because a lot of kids out there right now take advantage of the social media age and the digital space, and it very much so a place where you can make money just from your cell phone. And as long as you got service on that cell phone, you can make money, or you can be at Starbucks or somebody's Wi-Fi. With that being said, I hope this helped you. I know this video was a little longer than I intended, but you know what? I wanted to give some good, solid information to those of you who are maybe looking to start a YouTube channel and around that realm of making money online. But even if you're not doing anything in the realm of making money online, you just happen to watch this video, those are some great tips to starting a YouTube channel and building a niche by researching keywords, subscribers, and what they want to see. So with that being said, you're too smart to be broke. Peace. See you next time.